Hello lovelies, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about parasitic twins and teratomas. And because it's kind of medical phenomena, I decided to dress for the occasion. I came across an article about teratomas and I was curious about what it was because it sounded like something straight out of a horror movie. So while I was doing some research, I decided to discuss parasitic twins too, since it seemed like the two were similar. But what I found, they're actually completely different. So what is a teratoma, you might ask? Well, in order to understand it, you'll need to know what germ cells are. So germ cells are cells that later develop into a person's gametes, or sperm and eggs. At early stages, germ cells can turn into any cell within the body. When a person's germ cell multiplies abnormally and differentiates from normal tissues, and then develops in an abnormal place, it becomes a teratoma. These tumors have components that a normal human body would have, but it's not a twin. Teratomas can have all three of the cell types found in a developing embryo, though. So they can contain a variety of tissues. Cartilage, bone, teeth, and hair have all been found. Some have even contained lungs and muscle tissue, along with the tissue of the gastrointestinal tract. The most common places for teratoma are the ovaries, testes, and even the tailbone. Pretty wild stuff! Parasitic twins, on the other hand, are identical twins that stop developing during sometime between conception and birth. And for some reason, it is physically attached to the fully developing twins, though, even though it stopped developing. So the fully developed twin is known as the dominant twin or autocyte twin. The parasitic twin never completes development, and rarely do they have a complete brain or functioning heart. They typically don't share organs with the dominant twin and cannot survive on their own. And this whole thing reminded me of Malevolent with the parasitic twin. And that's kind of why it ruined it for me, because I knew it wasn't possible for a parasitic twin to be able to take over the dominant twin and basically lock out the dominant twin and then become the dominant twin. It was really bizarre for me. That was one of the issues that I had with that movie. There have been cases, though, where the dominant twin looks like a normally developed baby with extra limbs or unrecognizable protrusions, but it's not the same as what was depicted in that movie. Without treatment, these twins can develop serious health problems from supporting the parasitic twin, and usually the procedure is done usually when they are infants, not when they're older, which was another weird thing in Malevolent. In the description, I'm going to provide some real-life cases of both of these strange occurrences in the description. Be sure to check them out if you're interested. Fair warning though, they're kind of bizarre and scary. But weirdly fascinating. I found this actually incredibly fascinating that this actually has occurred. I mean, one guy basically gave birth to his parasitic twin. It was pretty crazy. So let me know what you think of teratomas and parasitic twins in the comments. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'd very much appreciate it. Also, if you found this video interesting, be sure to check out my other content. Thank you so much for watching. Take care until next time.